for me just a little bit, slow it down. Right there. What's up, man? These niggas don't know what freestyle live, Facebook. So I guess Young Struggle gonna have to be the one that show these boys, huh? That real nigga shit. Just rock with me, man. Real talk. My words so superb, man, they just flow. I don't need you to say start, I just go. Get the weed, hit it stove, buy a damn Optimo. Hit the block, call my niggas, tell them fuck it, let's blow. Fuck a bitch, fuck a hoe, cause I'm bout my damn paper. Stack some money up higher than the fucking elevator. In this fucking brick building like a nigga killing haters. Assassinate all you hoes for the favor of a Laker. Yeah, I'm a native of Jamaica. Shit, fuck all you haters. Yep, nigga owe me 100 favors. Yep, kill him for the paper. Nigga, I'm a grain gripping nigga, animal sipping nigga, grain gripping veteran. Shit, and my mouthpiece is a weapon. Into the game, I'm a blessing. I'm a veteran in this shit. And you niggas is a bitch. You ain't fucking with this shit. And it's just some quick shit. Some I ain't think about, bitch. Yep, and it just flowed up off my dome. It's a freestyle and I'm standing up right here at my fucking home. If you niggas got that pen and flow, you swear you can go. Just call Young Struggle and I swear I'll be at your fucking front door with my flow. Cause I'm wild and I'm gone up on my dome. Swear to God, young nigga 23 from Acres home. Freestyling on the pen, no pad, flawless on my hat. Cause swear to God, I'm like a diamond, no flaws on me at all. Yeah, pass me the fucking ball. In the game, I'm a fool. Young Sachi is a hog. Bleed up, I'm a motherfucking dog. Seize down, crabs kill them all, nigga. For real, I'm a grain gripping nigga. Like I said, I'm a serve shipping nigga. Yeah, you dead, cause they a hating ass nigga. Shit, let the state have that nigga for real. Old snitching ass, fake ass bitch. See, you need to chill with that fake ass shit. Cause I got some hitters that'll get your ass quick. For this 5 bands I got right here, you little bitch. Damn. How you niggas freestyle, boy? And I ain't done, I'll be back for round 2, nigga. I promise, I'ma go all the way to round 25 for you hoes, my nigga. Straight freestyling, my nigga. Run it.